Heather McClaren here with Long Realty in Tucson, Arizona. I'm coming to you from my home office, and this is my little introductory video blog. I'm going to be doing short little blogs every Friday to help get you ready for your weekend of house hunting or preparation to sell. I know some of you are out there touring open houses, trying to get a sense of what's going on. Is there inventory? What can I get for my house? And I'm going to give you some great information here that you don't normally get till you hire a realtor. So I'm going to save you some time, save you some money, and make sure you get the most out of your selling or purchasing process. We're going to be on site. We're going to be at inspections. We're going to be at the office. We're going to be talking to folks in the field, home inspectors, termite inspectors, structural engineers. We're going to be getting you some tips to get your house ready and some ways to save money. So check back every Friday or subscribe to my YouTube channel, Heather McClaren at Long Realty on YouTube, and we're going to get you what you need to succeed. Okay, we're with you. I'm with you. Check back. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, thanks. Bye.